everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to limit the amount of broken objects in Rust. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, and then we're going to go to the options tab and then scroll down to physics. So under the physics tab you'll find the max Gibs option, and Gibs means broken objects, so you can limit or increase the amount of broken objects that you want all the way up to 2000. So if your game is a little laggy, you can turn this option down, and less broken objects will be appearing. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.